Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to have you here. My name is Stella. Welcome to Sew with Stella. So for today's tutorial, I want to teach us how to make this beautiful scrunchie handband. So if you want to see how I made this beautiful scrunchie handband, keep watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to have you here. So to make this headband, this is basically all what we'll be needing to make it. So this is for the men fabric and this is about 40 inches. You can see it's 40-inch long, and then the width is 7 inches. Then the inner fabric, this is for the inner fabric. It's about 14-inch long, and then the width is 2 inch. And then this is the casing for the elastic. Casing, that's this elastic. This is the casing. So it's about 15-inch long, and then the width is 3 inch. Then for the elastic, I'm using about 6 inch. It's 6 inch long, and then the width is just about three quarter. So that's, and then I have my safety pin. So that's just basically what I'll be needing to make the hairband. And then for the main fabric, as you can see, this is the fabric that was remaining from a cow kaftan I made. So I just wanted to make an handband for it. So it was not up to 40-inch long. So I had to attach and cut out from my other side and attach it. So you can see, but I'm going to give it a good press. So that's just it. And also, even if after giving it a good press and after sewing it, it's not going to show. It's not going to show like that. So that's just that. So I'm going to keep this aside. I'm going to keep this aside. So for the main fabric, what I'll do is just to fold it into two. Fold it into two. Then on both edge, that's here and here. I'm going to come in by half. I'm going to come in by half. Mark the half. Then I'll measure about 4 inch like this. So I'll connect it. I'll use my ruler to connect it from here to here. So I'll go ahead and cut it out. And also do same for this side. I also do same for this side. So I'll go to the sewing machine and sew it. I'll go to the sewing machine and sew it. So after sewing it, I'll open it up and give it a good press. Also, the case for the elastic casing, that's where I'm going to input my elastic casing. That's the um, 3 by that of 3 by 15-inch. I'll also do the same. I'll fold it, sew it, turn it over, and then give it a good press. So let me go to my sewing machine and do that. So as you can see, I finished sewing it. So what I'm going to do is just to use the safety pin to, open it up. This I can actually just use my hand for it. Remember that this is the main fabric and this is the case for the elastic. This is the case for the elastic. So to open it up, this is where I'm going to use the office pin to, push it inside. So that's it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open it like this, press it. I'll press it like this. Where I sewed will be in the middle like this. I'm going to press it so it will be like this. And also for this one, I'm going to press it too. It's going to be like this. This is going to stay in the middle. I hope you can see it. So I'll give it a very good press. So that's that. So after pressing it, this is what I have. This is what I have. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to bring the elastic and then the inner for the main fabric. So for the elastic, I'm going to do it like this, then put it inside. What I'm going to do is just to use office pin to hold it. I'll hold it down first so that it won't shift. And for these two, also use the pin to hold it down. So I'll go to the sewing machine. I'll sew here and sew here. Then arrange the pleats so that it's rhyme with the rest. So that's that for this. Then for the inner case, I'll also do the same. I'll put it inside. See the way it is. I'm going to use the pin to hold it down. And then I'll continue. I use the pin to pin it down. You can see it. So I'll go ahead. I'll sew here and here, the two edges. I'll sew that. I also do the same for this, like I told you earlier. So let me go to the sewing machine and do that. So I finished sewing it. This is the elastic band. You see, make sure you arrange it so that it's the gather fits. So that's it. And then this is the main fabric. You can see it. You also arrange it, but that will be after you join both of them. So that's just it. So the next thing I'm going to do is just to the way it is now. This where we sewed that we turn. So it will be like this, and then this one too. You can see it. So the right side facing the right side. Go ahead and shift this. So the right side facing the right side. You turn it like this. And you also use this one to turn it like this. Then you sew it. So after sewing it, you do this same here. Just the way you do this one, you do it here, and then you are good to go. So let me go to the sewing machine and do that. So after sewing it, this is what I have. You can see it. This is what I have. So the next thing is just to open it up like this, and you see you have a clean finishing. You see it. Also for this is what I sewed. Then I'll just go ahead and cut this off. Cut this off. Then you just like this, and then you are good to go. You see how beautiful it is. Very, very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. So I hope you learned something from this video. If you do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, and share with your friends. Till I come your way next time with another interesting video, do have a lovely, lovely day. Bye bye.